Hey guys, David here, and welcome to Digital Outlook. Guys, what a day we have seen inside this XRP ecosystem. Truly wild. And for Judy and I, like I communicated this morning, when we see XRP at these kind of prices, guys, it is literally the time we pounce and not when we panic. This is a time for buying and not for crying. That is how we interpret it because, guys, we know what we're going into. Now, of course, recently we had seen some major new all-time highs in the S&P 500. Of course, the Russell doing amazing. And of course, there's pullbacks there. In fact, today the Dow closed at what? 500 points down or something like that, and the S&P about 200 points down. Well, guys, I want you to take a look at this little article over here that kind of gives a perspective when we do see all-time highs and those kinds of retracements. Just check this article right here, and then we're going to get into this digital asset space because, guys, I think there's some real correlation. Now, US stocks are at all-time highs. Now, here's what history says happens at new all-time highs. And this was on May the 18th. So, guys, just about 2-3 weeks ago, and see how fast things can change. Markets hitting all-time highs can feel risky. It does when you're up there, people FOMOing in. That is absolutely true, and the psychology of it takes you over. But history shows that new highs are often part of a long-term trend, not signals to exit. Now, the idea of what goes up must come down might feel right in the short term, but it's simply untrue from a long-term, multi-year perspective. Here are the facts. Since 1950, the US market has more than 1,300 all-time highs. That's an average of 17 new record highs per year. Ultimately, these fresh peaks reflect the cash generative capabilities of the underlying businesses in the long run, and it's expected to keep getting better as AI and robotics continue to drive efficiency higher. Well, guys, have we not seen that same kind of issue with sentiment in the space? Sentiment takes off, things go to the moon, and then, of course, there's a lot of dumping, it crashes down, and oh, the panic at the bottom. And that is exactly where we're at with crypto. Well, I want you to take a look at this article right here. Analyst who called XRP bottom and top in the last cycle makes a fresh statement. Now, check this out. Crypto analyst JD believes XRP may be approaching one of the most important stages of its current market cycle. He recently shared a chart citing his previous calls on XRP cycle bottom and top, while suggesting another major opportunity may be forming. Now, look what he says down here. He says, remember, I called the bottom and top last cycle. Some became millionaires. They listened to the advice. I'm calling the next bottom and top for the next cycle. Huge opportunity is among us. Utility is not needed. In fact, utility wrecked many because a lot of people, guys, they missed out. They literally could not see the forest through the trees. But in this cycle, of course, it is going to be wild. Now, look down here. And this was back 2014 to 2017. Look at all this volatility. That was massive. Boom. That 2017 blow off, man, that was something that was literally mind blowing. I mean, to pick up XRP down here under a penny, and you could have put in 6,000 bucks when it was at 0.006. And literally 1 year later, guys, if you had nailed the top, you would have made 3 point some million. But let's say you just sold it around here and made a couple of $1,000,000 off of a $6,000 investment. Phenomenal. And guys, what's happening right now? Well, we're going through some major volatility, aren't we? And we busted through this trend line just like we did there. And what have we done? We've consolidated. We've consolidated. And of course, it feels rough when you're dealing with, you bought it at 366, you're at $1.12 XRP. But guys, if you had got it down here at what, 38 to 42 to 52 cents, and you experience this, hey, you're still up big time. And what he's saying is, we could see another major blow off top for XRP. And this is where we talk about market cycles, just like in the traditional market. These market cycles, guys, I don't put them on timelines, but I do base them on environments. Now, look, and having said that, I think the environment tells us the season that we're in. And I've shared this before in coaching and stuff where look, if I was up there in Canada and I walked out my front door and the snow was blowing, the wind is howling and all this kind of stuff, well, I think the environment's telling me that it's winter. Guys, see, I think we're in the corrective phase of a bull market due to the fact that we have just seen all these major all-time highs in the Russell, in the S&P, all that kind of stuff. And yes, we've made some dips, but we've popped right back up. We've seen new all-time highs in Bitcoin. We've seen new all-time highs in Solana and in Ethereum and of course XRP. And yes, we have come back down, but guys, this is not the end. Do I believe that we are going to get another major move to the upside? Absolutely, I do. And I think, guys, it is going to be wild. And of course, right now, where we're sitting in history, this is truly wild. Think about this. Here we are sitting at a time in history where we have never, and I mean never, have been before. We have never been at a point where you literally were watching the transition of all global monetary instruments into a new form, into a brand new form since the invention of coin, probably thousands of years. Guys, that kind of transition, of course, is going to have its hiccups for sure. But we can see the regulatory piece coming together. We see the infrastructure of what's going down all around the wide world. And literally, we are at a point, at a threshold where that switch could be flipped, literally, guys, at any moment. And of course, I believe, and you've heard me say it, that post clarity, it is going to be massive. Now, I also want you to take a look over here at this article right here because, guys, I think this is big. Swift runs an XRP linked infrastructure in June's pilot. Now, you can't make this up. Swift is rolling out a 25 plus blockchain powered bank pilot in June. What role is XRP playing in the monetary revamp? While the bears are causing havoc in crypto market, real integration is going on behind the scenes. For Ripple's XRP, the way to cross-border or global cross-border corridors is dual. XRP could be chosen as a settlement asset due to its highly demanded on-demand liquidity tied directly to the OG altcoin. Guys, literally, this is the killer app for XRP, the abolition of Nostro Vostro. That's what's absolutely going down. And look at this. Meanwhile, Swiss remittances are upgrading with at least 25, get this, 25 Rippled partnered banks this month. However, this on-chain pilot is not what it seems. The top-notch European financial conglomerate seeks to roll out the ISO 222 global messaging standard with a multi-chain approach for banks to settle payments immediately. Guys, this is absolutely massive. Now, what's really wild is, do you realize there were only two distributed ledger technology corporations on the governance council of the ISO 222 messaging standard? Ripple and Stellar. Boom. Now, guys, you have heard me say that I believe that XRP and XLM will be the 1-2 punch in this new digital economy. I absolutely do. And when we're dealing with a market like we are, where we could see a massive shift of value from the traditional markets into this digital asset space, guys, we literally could see a situation where potentially crypto is a flight to safety in and of itself. And listen to who is singing that tune right here. And I'm going to refresh this so it plays. But this is Larry Fink of BlackRock.
We are hearing from clients around the world about the need for crypto. I mean, when you think about, I think some of this rally is way beyond the rumor. I think the rally today is about a flight to quality with all the, all the issues around the Israeli war now, global terrorism. And I think there's more people running into a flight to quality, whether that is in treasuries, gold, or crypto, depending on how you think about it. And I believe crypto will play that type of role as a flight to quality.
So guys, right there, you are hearing Larry Fink, at the time the chairman and the CEO of BlackRock, one of the biggest assets under management companies in the world. They practically have their thumb in every pie. And he's out there saying that crypto itself could literally be a flight to safety. And guys, we're in a situation now where we are watching such a shift that has never happened. Never happened, guys, in the history of the wide world. A monetary shift where the very monetary instruments are being changed. This has not happened since the invention of coin. And guys, it could be a massive, massive deal. Now, think about it, how all this value is moving over into this new digital asset space and the tokenization of all these real world assets. You got the folks like Larry Fink saying, hey, it could literally turn into a flight to safety. Well, one of the things, guys, that we are going to deal with big time is how do we secure that? And another big deal, of course, is the tax implications of it. Well, guys, I'll tell you what, I want to show you this right over here. Judy and I are getting into I Trust Capital for some very big time reasons. Now, I Trust Capital, you guys know they have been around a very long time in this crypto space and have built up a tremendous reputation of being a very secure platform, and guys, one that is advantageous for those of us that are wanting to get in and have this level of security. Because I'll tell you what, when you're dealing with the potential for capital gains right in this space, if you've held it for less than 1 year, of course, 40%, over 1 year, 20%. But do you realize in a Roth IRA, if you are not familiar, a Roth IRA, any of the gains you get in there, guys, guess what? You have no tax implications whatsoever. That is a massive, massive deal. And that is what I Trust Capital is all about. It's making your retirement funds work for you. Now, what are some of the benefits there? Well, the tax advantages, like we just said. One of the key reasons investors use IRA is the associated tax benefit. Two main types of IRAs, traditional and, of course, the Roth. Traditional IRAs allow for tax deductible contributions, subject, of course, to income limits. We all know that. But distributions in retirement are taxed at regular income. However, Roth IRAs are funded with post tax dollars. Both contributions and earnings can be withdrawn tax free in retirement. Now, you guys know I spent about 25 years up there in Canada as a senior officer in the tax department. One of the things that Judy and I have developed in our tax plan, of course, and that, when you get to a point where you're really needing one, guys, it's the biggest amount of tax avoidance that we can have and the legal ways in which we can do it. And obviously, having an IRA where you are not paying capital gains on your crypto is massive. Now, the thing is this. IRAs are designed to facilitate long-term savings for retirement. I mean, how many people are looking down the road where they're going to be able to retire like that? They encourage regular savings and investing, which can grow over time due to compounding. And we know in this space, it can literally be exponential kind of growth. We've experienced it. IRAs typically offer a wider range of investment options than employer-sponsored plans, like, of course, 401ks. At iTrust Capital, you're able to invest alternative investments such as cryptocurrencies and precious metals in an IRA. This is a big time deal. Guys, you want to get yourself ready because when this space does take off, it is going to change the lives of so many. I really do believe this. It changed our lives in a dramatic way, and it really doesn't take as much as you think. Look, we had one where we had $3,800 into Cardano, and in 1 year, that $3,800 investment was worth over $300,000. Can you imagine if we were able to have put that in a Roth IRA and none of it would have been subject to any kind of capital gain? Now, rollovers. If you leave a job, you can roll over your 401k or other employer-sponsored retirement plans into a self-directed IRA. This is phenomenal, guys, because you can take what you've already built up, roll it into a crypto self-directed IRA. Truly wild. This can help you all your retirement savings in one place and maintain the tax advantage status of these funds. An advantage of a rollover is that there are no taxable events that get triggered. You're not taking it out of your IRA in order just to invest it in crypto and then having to pay tax on what you take out. No, it's absolutely just seamless and there is no tax triggering event. Similar to 401k rollover, if you have an existing IRA, a traditional Roth or SEP, it can be transferred into a new self directed IRA while maintaining the tax advantages of those funds. There are no taxable events that get triggered. Now, unlike a 401k, anyone with earned income has the opportunity to contribute cash to a self directed IRA and partake in tax advantages similar to an employer sponsored plan. Depending on an individual's age, there are contribution limits. Of course, you get, and we all know these tax things, but guys, this is a massive deal. With what's coming and the shift that's upon us, I'm telling you what, do I ever believe that it is going to represent such a huge transition? We do not want to miss it. Now, I'll tell you what, I've got a link in the description there for I Trust Capital so that you can actually sign up. And by the way, guys, if you do sign up, they have a $100 bonus when you fund your account. They give you $100, bang, right off the start to start it. So I think that is phenomenal. And Judy and I, we are right in on it. Guys, things are changing in this space in a massive, massive way. And you want to be positioned to take advantage of every opportunity. And like we were saying this morning, this is the time to pounce, not to panic. That's what Judy and I are doing. So, guys, get out there, research it, get yourself ready, preserve it. Don't let the tax guy take everything you got, and don't fall for all the fear, the uncertainty, and doubt. Get out there and see exactly what's going on. Now, guys, later on, I'm going to be in the mastermind. Can't wait to connect with you in there, guys. And remember my Substack where you can get exclusive content right related to Digital Outlook because, of course, we know YouTube won't let us say everything that we want to say. But in Substack, we've got that freedom. So, guys, I'll tell you what, until later on tonight, I sure hope you have a fabulous one and take care.